Landis, quiet. I'm filming the videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. And if you're not, welcome back. Today is day 8 of Craft for the Curve. What is Craft for the Curve? It's me and 5 other YouTubers doing some crafts every single day for 15 days to flatten the curve by staying home and using craft stuff we already have. So I'm going to share something with you guys today, and if you want to see more, check out the rest of the videos I've done and am going to do, and then also check in the description because there are 4 other YouTubers that are also crafting every single day, and they are here to keep you entertained and keep you creative and all those things. But we are also doing an amazing giveaway for people who craft the same crafts or similar or inspired by us crafts and post on Instagram and Facebook the hashtag craft for the curve. Okay? We're going to be looking at those and picking someone at the end of this to win a prize package from like really awesome sponsors. Wait, she's opening my sewing machine. Sewing machine tutorials are coming. I don't know if I'm going to do tutorials on the sewing machine, but I'm going to be using the sewing machine for tutorials. I've been dying to do some more Mickey ears. I just have been needing a new sewing machine. Anyways, so today we are in the spirit of Pinocchio because Pinocchio bundle just came out on Monday. My members get a, My members get a new bundle of SVGs every single Monday. Actually, they get more than that. They get a regular bundle, and then they get a Disney inspired bundle that our business members can actually sell with. So you can check that out. Today we are going to be doing this really cute "When You Wish Upon a Star" sign. So I know you guys are going to be asking where I got the background, but these are going to be available on shopauntietay.com soon. Coronavirus has kind of slowed down the production of new products, and we will be getting blanks in someday, but I don't know when. I know you guys have been waiting for it, and you're about to see some really awesome tutorials in the next couple months using them, so my goal is to hopefully get them on the website by April? By mid-May. I'm going to give myself a conservative amount of time, and hopefully we can get those on there. So let's get going. I used 6x1 vinyl, some of my transfer tape, and a blank, but you can also use a piece of wood or anything that you can find to put stuff on. So let's get going. All right, so I'm going to use our long, skinny, white background. And this is really cool because you can do it up and down or sideways, but I thought it would work really good for this SVG because it is tall and skinny. So I'm going to show you guys, I actually used the Silhouette to cut this. This was one of my first Silhouette projects, so I am still learning that machine. And it does cut just as well as the Cricut. There's just a learning curve to it. But I am going to show you a couple little hacks, or not necessarily hacks, but just show you like when things kind of are very detailed and if they need a little hiccup here and there. So I'm just going to slowly pull off vinyl. You guys know that I have a love-hate relationship with vinyl. I really love using HTV whenever I can, but vinyl is a lot more, is a lot less expensive. So obviously we like to use vinyl a lot, but it takes more steps and it's a little bit of a process. So if I can get it off in one swoop, I will, but otherwise I would cut it. And then if I see any hiccups like this, I'll go in and fix them afterwards instead of trying to get them to be perfect when I am weeding. And then I go in and I weed all the little pieces at the end, keeping them like on my finger. And I usually start with kind of a bigger piece to keep a sticky piece outward, so then I can use it then to pick up all the other little pieces. So I just grab that one and grab that one. You can do this with HTV as well. Just use a little piece of vinyl or tape to pick up your weeded pieces. Okay, now I'm going to use my Auntietay transfer tape. The masking transfer tape in the 6-inch roll is just perfect for little projects like this because you can just roll out what you need. And this is 100 feet of masking transfer tape. It's one of our #1 sellers on our website. And if you're a member, you get 20% off of all my products at all times or more, depending on what product you're buying. All right, so I'm just going to cut this off and varnish it, which just means to rub it down really well. You can use a tool or just your finger. And then I'm going to show you a couple more hacks I like to do when I'm using vinyl. When I pull this off the mat, and I actually like the silhouette mat a lot for this because you flip it upside down and peel the mat off so that your vinyl project doesn't get ruined or bent. You can bend the mat backwards, and the silhouette mat is so much more flimsy than Cricut mats that it works really good for this step. Now I'm going to just put that aside and flip over my project, and then I am going to rub it just a little bit more. The thing with our transfer tape is it doesn't stick very well to the vinyl, so this step is probably the most tedious, but it's a game changer when you go to put it on your project. So I like to weed like this at a complete 180-degree angle, pushing my project down as I go and peeling it off like so. And now this part is really easy because our vinyl or our transfer tape doesn't stick to the vinyl a ton. So I'm just going to start by starting in the middle and working my way outward, and you can measure your design from the top to the bottom to make sure that it's even. You can see that you can kind of see through the masking tape, so you kind of want to visualize it and measure before you press everything down, but I'm a super winger, and so I just wing things half the time, and if they work out, they work out. This one worked out pretty good. So if you do see pieces coming up, just kind of push them back on and then pull back. You can do that 180-degree pull, and then I'll go in with my weeding tool or anything that you have to pick up any little pieces and just press those down. And then you can varnish on top of these as well by rubbing the vinyl again. And there you have it.